Welcome, everybody. I'm Luann Fortune with the College of Integrative Medicine and Health Sciences, and I welcome you to Mindful Moments. Today, I'd like to introduce a guided imagery, and it's based on some research that I've been doing for one of our courses in imagery, our imagery course in Mind Body Medicine. And I discovered that there has been an increase in the research, the empirical research, looking at the experience of nature, being in nature, to our health and wellness. So, as we might suspect, connectiveness to nature is an antecedent to various positive mental health and behavioral outcomes. So, for some time, we have known that there has been an association between our moods and being outdoors in nature. What we're pleased to be able to see in the research is that guided imagery can also bring us those benefits. So I would like to guide us through an image of nature. And if you've got your eyes open for just another minute or so more, I've decided that perhaps today, with your permission, we can walk into a wooded area and find a treehouse. And I invite you to start thinking about the tree houses, perhaps of your youth or maybe of your imagination and far-flung places in your creative sources. And drawing on some of those images, now begin to settle in to what your personal treehouse could be. Breathing in and breathing out. And then if you're comfortable letting your eyes go closed, I invite you to become settled in. First of all, starting with your breathing. And in this time of breathing in and pausing and breathing out, give yourself permission to set aside all your to-dos, the to-dos that you've come from, the to-dos that you're going on to. And perhaps you can lie them on the ground as you find a ramp or a ladder or a staircase, and begin your ascent up to the treehouse in your mind's eye. Breathing in and breathing out. And with each step that you take as you ascend, allow yourself to feel the breeze. Allow yourself to smell the smells of your particular forest home. Or perhaps it's on a savanna. You might notice that there are colors around you. Are they lush, deep greens and azure blues? And brilliant reds and pinks from tropical floral. And all the while as you're breathing in and breathing out, ascending upward until you arrive at the location of your own personal treehouse. A place of calm and respite. And as you enter into this sacred place, allow yourself to feel fully protected. You might notice that you feel a little lighter up there, closer to the stars. And the clouds. Breathing in and breathing out. And there's a space of quietude. Invite in a sense of stillness. Noticing that you're surrounded by nature. the sound of rustling leaves, perhaps a distant stream, and our winged friends, all around you as you're breathing in and breathing out. And now invite yourself to settle in deeper, surrounded by and supported by nature. These beautiful natural dwellings, a sanctuary. And we're going to stay here for a little while as you allow yourself to soak in all the healing molecules entering through all your senses. Allowing yourself spaciousness. All the while breathing in and breathing out. You might notice from time to time different ideas come up for you, perhaps words or images. And if they don't serve you right now, just ask them to step aside. But you can invite in any other images that serve you, that heal you and support you. With every breath in and releasing what doesn't serve you with every exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Continuing to breathing in nuturance, breathing in the healing force of nature. Breathing out, releasing whatever does not serve you in this moment. And if you notice a sense of playfulness coming up, a sense of wonder, a sense of newfound creativity, you might find room for that in your treehouse too. All the while breathing in and breathing out. And we'll soon be approaching the end to our time together in this treehouse, in your treehouse. So you might want to take a few more generous breaths in. You might want to begin to notice your fingers, your toes, maybe ever so gradually begin to move them around. You wiggle them back and forth. Still breathing in and breathing out. And when you're ready, begin to ever so gently, maybe first stretch out your arms. Maybe roll your shoulders around. Maybe roll your head around your neck just a bit. Because in your mind's eye, begin to see yourself, begin to leave your treehouse. Beginning to ascend and then descend down. Back down through the ramp in your mind's eye, back through the stairs or the ladder, back down to the space below. And when you've reached the bottom, ever so gently, flutter your eyes open and rejoin me in the space. As your eyes begin to open or refocus, you might acknowledge that you are with people gathered here in a shared space. And together, you're in a meditative state. You might choose not to speak for now, or if you speak, to speak from your experience and not in ways that would take others out of their own experience. Could we remain a while longer with a sense of presence to our own and others' experience? That would be a fruit of practice. Thank you for joining me for Mindful Moments. We'll be here every Monday and Friday for summer term, and our audio recordings are podcasted on the Saybrook website, Spotify, and our YouTube channel. Thank you.